Hey guys, we had a good short day yesterday in Coquimbo, and now we are in San Antonio. Still in Chile, and yeah, we're just walking around seeing the sights. Alright guys, that was San Antonio. We had fun today. It was a beautiful day out. We kind of just walked around the pier. They had the fish market, a bunch of little shops. Aaron got some coffee. Yeah, we had a nice little day. We're back on the boat now. I think we're going to go upstairs and enjoy some sun. So I'm going to call it a day here. Thanks so much for watching these guys. Make sure you like and subscribe. I really appreciate it. Leave some comments down below. And yeah, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.